Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate questions in Google Forms. This simple trick saves you time and effort when creating surveys or quizzes. First, open your Google form in edit mode. Then, click on the specific question you want to copy. You'll see a small icon that looks like two overlapping squares at the bottom of the question box. This is your duplicate button, and it's super easy to find. Once you've selected your question, simply click the duplicate icon. Instantly, an exact copy of that question will appear right below the original. This includes all the question text, answer options, and any validation rules you've set. It's a one-click solution that ensures consistency and reduces manual entry, making your form creation process much more efficient and less prone to errors. Now that you have your duplicated question, you can easily customize it. Change the question text, update the answer choices, or even switch the question type if necessary. For example, you might change a multiple-choice question to a short answer one. Remember, you can also drag and drop the new question to any position within your form, giving you complete flexibility in organizing your content. Duplicating questions is a powerful feature that saves you a lot of time, especially when you have many similar questions. It ensures consistency across your form, preventing errors and making your surveys look professional. This simple method streamlines your entire form building process, allowing you to focus on content rather than repetitive tasks. It's a small trick that makes a big difference in your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.